Welcome to Everyday GMP Training and Solution Providers, uniting science, soft skills, and career paths where we bring you essential insights for everyday greatness in the world of pharmacy. Non-EU citizens, are you ready to explore the exciting path of becoming a pharmacist in Ireland? Join us on this journey as we guide you through registration, exams, and the abundant pharmacy job opportunities waiting for you. Together, let's uncover the steps to turn your everyday into extraordinary. This is Everyday GMP, your gateway to a pharmacist's success. What will we learn today? What we will learn today: Discover Ireland, your gateway to pharmacist success. Essentials of Ireland. Quick facts: the average salary. Important links. Pharmaceutical Society of Ireland eligibility for non-EU citizens. 4 stages of application for recognition for third country pharmacist qualification. In the last we will conclude. Important links. More links in the end of video. Links are also given in description. The average salary for a pharmacist in Ireland: euros 50,000 to 70,000 euros per year. Some important links. First is IrishJobs.ie, Pharmacist jobs on IrishJobs.ie, Indeed.ie, Pharmacist jobs on Indeed.ie. Discover Ireland, your gateway to pharmacist success. Welcome to a land where lush landscapes meet thriving healthcare opportunities, Ireland. As we delve into the world of pharmacy in the Emerald Isle, we'll explore not only the scenic beauty but also the promising scope and salaries in the pharmacy field. Ireland, with its rich history and vibrant culture, offers a unique backdrop for your pharmacist journey. Join us as we unravel the pharmacy scope and salaries that make Ireland an ideal destination for aspiring pharmacists. Let's paint a picture of your prosperous future in the heart of Ireland. The average salary for a pharmacist in Ireland is in the range of 50,000 euros to 70,000 euros per year. However, these figures are approximate, and individual salaries may be higher or lower based on various factors. Eligibility for non-EU citizens. First, you will require academic qualifications. Possess a recognized pharmacy degree from a reputable institution. Ensure the degree is equivalent to Irish standards. Second, recognition by the Pharmaceutical Society of Ireland, PSI. Apply for recognition of your qualifications by PSI, the regulatory body for pharmacists in Ireland. And language proficiency. Demonstrate proficiency in English through a recognized language test, e.g., IELTS or TEFL. Fourth is work visa, permission. Obtain the necessary work visa or permission to work in Ireland. Fifth is good standing certificate. Provide a certificate of good standing from the Pharmacy Regulatory Authority in your home country. In the last, internship requirements. Some non-EU graduates may need to complete an internship under the supervision of a registered pharmacist in Ireland. 4 stage are. Here is website introduction of Pharmaceutical Society of Ireland, the pharmacy regulator, thepsi.ie. Please visit thepsi.ie. Link is also in description. Register with PSI, overview, PSI, thepsi.ie. Complete procedure and available in website registration page. Please follow and put your case accordingly. Stages of the recognition process. There are 4 stages involved in the recognition process. Stage number 1. To make a valid application for recognition of your qualification as a pharmacist from a third country, you are required to complete the application form, complete the certificate of identity form, complete the statutory declaration form, provide all relevant supporting documentation, pay a non-refundable fee of euro 1,500.00. All pages are available on website and their links area available in video description. Second stage is for equivalence examination. If you have successfully completed stage 1 of the TCQR process, you are eligible to apply to sit an equivalence exam. You must be in receipt of a confirmation of eligibility letter from the SI to be eligible to apply to sit the exam. The equivalence exam includes an exam and OSCE assessment designed to assist the SI Council in assessing the standard of training, education, examination and qualification of applicants so as to determine whether an applicant holds a qualification which is of a standard not lower than the standard necessary for practice in Ireland. Preparing for the equivalence examination. Syllabus for the equivalence exam. Suggested reading materials. Objective structured clinical examination, OSCE, information. All requirements are available on website. After stage 2, here is stage 3 requirement. Stage 3. This stage consists of an adaptation period to ensure that you gain the competencies required to practice safely as an independent and professional pharmacist, and gain the knowledge and skills required to exercise the independent legal, professional and ethical responsibilities of a pharmacist in Ireland. You may be required to carry out training for a minimum period of at least 6 months under the supervision of a tutor pharmacist. Tutor pharmacists are required to assess your performance during your adaptation placement. You can contact KnowNewRoute at IrishJobs.ie for information on tutor pharmacists for adaptation periods. Last stage is Stage 4. Professional Registration Examination, PRE. If you successfully complete the adaptation period, you will then be eligible to undertake a Professional Registration Examination, PRE. This exam will assess and confirm that you possess the knowledge, skills and competencies appropriate for practice as a pharmacist in Ireland. Welcome to the heart of Ireland's healthcare system. In Ireland, pharmacy plays a pivotal role, serving as a vital link between patients and healthcare providers. Pharmacists are not just dispensers of medications, they are trusted advisors, ensuring safe and effective use of medicines. Key points: patient-centric care. Pharmacists focus on patient well-being, offering personalized advice and support. Medication management. They manage medication regimens, ensuring optimal outcomes and minimizing risks. Health promotion. Beyond prescriptions, pharmacists actively engage in health promotion, emphasizing prevention and well-being. Community integration. Pharmacies are integral parts of local communities, providing accessible healthcare services. As we navigate the pharmacy landscape in Ireland, remember that pharmacists here are not just professionals. They are healthcare partners committed to enhancing the quality of life for all. Let's uncover the significance of pharmacy in Ireland together. Here are some essentials of Ireland. Quick facts. Ireland. Capital is Dublin. Speaking head languages is Irish and English. Currency, used euro. Classical building government is parliamentary democracy. Parliament is Dáil Éireann and Seanad Éireann. Head of state is president. Shamrock symbol is green shamrock flower. Religion, predominantly Catholic. Economy, gained by tech, pharma, and agriculture. History, independence in 1922 from UK Empire. As we conclude our exploration of the pharmacist in Ireland, remember that these frontiers hold endless possibilities. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let us know what topics you'd like to see in future videos. Stay curious, stay inspired, and until next time, this is Everyday GMP Training and Solution Providers, uniting science, soft skills, and career paths signing off. Everyday GMP Training and Solution Providers, uniting science, soft skills, and career paths. Subscribe and hit the bell. Enjoyed the journey? Subscribe and hit the bell for the latest updates. Join the conversation. Share your thoughts in the comments. Your voice matters.